we've got a slab of steel out here that we're going to use. And you know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
I want to touch it.
Touch it. This is soapstone.
Soapstone. Yeah.
Soapstone.
It is soap.
And you know what you can do with it?
What?
Draw.
Dad, I mean,
That's pretty cool, huh?
is that better?
I don't know. It can be whatever you want it to be. My little smiley guy. Draw. Go ahead. Draw whatever you want.
Oh my God, that's me or that?
You can draw whatever you want, baby.
Wait.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
I want.
And this is what Daddy uses it for.
What?
Daddy takes, and actually, since we need the piece to be a little bit longer, we're gonna go like this,
And
and then we're gonna go like this. Whoop. And then we're gonna go whoop, and whoop.
Well, what?
And that's garbage, that's garbage, that's garbage.
Why are they doing?
Because that's what we gotta cut off. And now if we cut this line here and we go whoop, it's gonna make the same piece. Remember we cut the piece? You gotta get up. This piece isn't very clean. See the little pieces of metal from when I was cutting? Turn around, please. Make sure one's on you. Okay, now come here. Remember the piece of paper that we cut for the piece of metal?
Yeah.
If we put it right in here, see it fits?
Yeah.
And it's just a little bit longer. So all we gotta do is, if we cut this line here, and then whoop, and just go whoop here, and then go whoop right there, and then whoop, whoop, we'll have the piece that we made. And then if we take this here,
I just want to see.
and we figure out our line here, and our line there, and then we take a straight edge, which that one's humongous.
This is cool.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's scary.
What's scary?
Yeah, because it's.
Oh, my smiley guy?
Yeah. Why is his head like backwards?
Why is his head backwards? Because you're looking at him upside down? You silly monkey. Alright.
He was. Why over here? His face is right here. Why I look over here? His body is right here. So I don't know why it's upside down.
Right about
Well,
there.
Dad, why do you cut this?
I haven't cut it yet.
You cut it.
Well, yeah, I guess I did cut it in other spots. Because I needed metal to build the motor mounts
Okay.
and the
But I'm gonna-
transmission mount.
I can't draw you. I can't.
So this piece of metal tends to get.
Ugh. Can I draw? I
You can draw whatever you want, wherever you want.
I can't draw my hand.
And then, so that we don't cut this right here, if we cut this later on, we're going to put a B there for bend. So we're going to bend this here. We're going to put it on the little break, and we're going to bend that.
That's my
to
name.
make- Well, Ben, Benny, Benjamin, but bend, like a bend, like we're going to bend it, and
Okay.
then that'll make our shape that we want. Okay? Did you get something in your finger? Let's see.
It's just my boo-boo.
Your little boo-boo there? Okay. Alright. So that's what soapstone is, brother.
How did you do soaping?
What?
How is it doing this? How is it drawing like you draw your outside? Why is this why you can do a cross? How did you do that, X?
Like this. Put your hand farther up on it. Like, only put a little bit of it out. There you go. Like, turn it, and then go like this. There you go.
That's not crossed. didn't do it.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. That's not cross. That's just, I did it up.
What do you mean you did it up?
This is the upside and this is the downside. I didn't do it.
You did okay. See, look, if we just make it a little bit stronger, or see? That looks just like mine. All I did was just make it darker. Just got to push hard.
I don't want to do it.
Okay. We're all done.
I breaked it.
Yeah, that's what happens. If you drop it on the ground, they break. But it's okay, because then if you need a sharp cut or a sharp edge to draw like a really fine line, now you take a little piece and then you can make a little bit more sharper of a line. So it's okay, Bubba.